Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, are you getting married today or playing the lottery? It's 11, 12, 13. Overnight, bean prices up about 4 cents, corn up 2, and wheat up 2. We're seeing a little bit of continued buying in the beans because of the potential for some tightness in the old crop situation. But the market doesn't really think we're going to go very far because of the favorable South American weather. Over in the corn, funds continue to short cover. They bought about 12,000 futures yesterday. Open interest dropped 13,000. So people are getting out of some of their short positions they've had from the summer because number one, the report on Friday was not as bearish as some people had thought, and number two, it's kind of one of those sell the rumor, buy the fact type things. How much more bearish news is the market expected to see? USDA is back in business after yesterday's holiday. We're thinking soybean harvest 92% done, corn maybe 84% done, export inspections 13 wheat, maybe 30, 31 corn, and maybe 65 million bushels of beans were exported last week. We also note that the outside market's fairly quiet, kind of watching some of the China policy changes to maybe more of a domestic-led economy rather than an export-led economy, and we'll see how much that impacts the global situation. Weather-wise, the U.S., it's cold here in Chicago this morning. The forecast is basically for normal precip, especially late next week, with temperatures getting back closer to normal. South American weather is fine. Both Brazil and Argentina look for, over the next 10 days, normal rains and normal temperatures. We will be watching pretty closely any news on the ethanol mandate. Some people feel that even if they lower the mandate, there's still gasoline companies are still going to blend the ethanol, and so it may not have an impact on corn prices as much as the initial announcement might have. Still watching some of the issues in soybean oil about the potential ban of trans fats in 2015 versus maybe increasing the biodiesel blend mandate. Other than that, fairly quiet trade overnight, a little bit higher prices, and we'll see how much some of this short covering / buying will continue. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.